Hey, I hope you're pumped for this because, get this, by 2030, AI is projected to add a whopping $15 trillion to the world's economy. If you've been sitting there, scratching your head, wondering how others are cashing in on AI, consider this your nudge to get moving. AI is already so advanced it can whip up anything you dream of. Today, I'm walking you through 3 super creative, easy to start ways to earn cash with AI. Think $500 or more daily, so stick around for this one. Hey everyone, Ben here, and welcome to my channel. I've got some practical updates for you today, but first, if you're new around here, hello, greetings from all over. AI is like a massive playground of opportunities, and I get it, it can seem daunting to figure out what it's capable of. That's why we're slicing through the clutter today and jumping straight into something fresh and different that I haven't seen anyone else cover online, making personalized children's books with AI. These are not your run-of-the-mill stories either. Why? Because we don't settle for ordinary here. I'm talking about enchanting, unique tales featuring a kid's name, their favorite animal, maybe some family tidbits or hobbies they enjoy, and the coolest part? AI handles the tough stuff for us. Let me tell you why you should jump on this now. Someone out there made over $100,000 selling these custom kids books, and I'm about to break down how you can do it too. It's honestly not tricky. Naturally, for a storybook, you need a tale to tell, and tools like ChatGPT, my go-to buddy, can craft the whole thing for you. For instance, imagine a parent orders a book about their kid, say Ava, and you just tell ChatGPT to write a 12-page children's story about a girl named Ava who saves a magical forest with her unicorn friend, and Ava is a 5-year-old. Her favorite color is pink. Add a few extra details to spice it up, and there you go, a tailor-made story about Ava and what she loves, ready in no time. You'll want to double check it to ensure it flows and makes sense. And here's a bonus I might not have mentioned. It's totally free to create these with ChatGPT. Next up, we'll need pictures for this book. Kids need more than just words on a page. You can generate custom images of Ava and her unicorn in that magical forest with a prompt like a vibrant illustration of a young girl and a unicorn in a magical forest, and check out what it produces. See? It's a breeze. Want to tweak Ava's look? Just say make her a brown-skinned girl, and once your images and story are set, it's time to pull it all together. I'd go with Canva for this, it's free too. Inside Canva, hunt down book templates or start from scratch, clear out any preset stuff if you're using a template, then upload your ChatGPT-made images, slot them into your design, tweak the title, add all the pictures to the pages, and paste in the story text. When it's done, save it as a PDF for digital sales or set it up for print on demand. When someone orders, your chosen provider prints and ships it for you. Now, the big question, how do you turn this into cash? You can list these books on Etsy, and I'd highly suggest it since tons of parents browse there for custom, personal gifts like these. And it's not just kids' tales. The example I showed earlier was a book made for a dad about his child, tailored just for him as a Father's Day present. You could do this for Mother's Day, a baby's first year, or new parents. The options are endless. Honestly, go for all of them. The more you offer, the more you can earn. Think that's cool? Wait till you hear this next one. I mentioned earlier that AI is a $15 trillion game, but pair it with online shopping and the figures are unreal. Last year, folks spent over $5 trillion, nearly $6 trillion, buying stuff online, and that number's only climbing. We're going to get in on that action, and here's how. Picture this. A free AI tool called Build Your Store builds you a full online shop packed with products ready to sell, not just any items, but ones proven to move fast. You barely have to lift a finger, just a few clicks, and in about 2 minutes, you're set to start selling. Plus, Build Your Store hooks you up with a supplier platform that handles shipping, so when orders roll in, they go straight to your customers without you touching a thing. This is too good to pass up, so head to my description, click the link, and let Build Your Store set up your free shop. To kick things off, hit Build My Free Store, pop in your details, and on the next screen, pick a category. They've got tons to choose from. All solid options proven to bring in money, like fashion and apparel. They have pets, electronics, home and garden. They even have sports and fitness. Can't decide? Just say, "I'm not sure," and let AI pick for you. What's awesome about Build Your Store is it guides you step by step, showing you exactly what to click or enter with example picks, so you're never lost or stressed. It's all laid out. By the end, you're running your own online shop, stocked with products to sell. These are slick, updated designs too. A Shopify setup like this could cost $200, but you're getting it free. As you set up, you'll see Build Your Store links you to AutoDS for product sourcing. Use the link in the description to sign up to AutoDS. With AutoDS, you can dig into product research, spotting what's hot with their data, then add those items to your store to stay current and profitable. Their marketplace lets you browse thousands of products by category, filter for fast shipping, like 1 or 2 days, check shipping origins, and pick from various suppliers. One tool I love in there is Handpicked Product. It analyzes items before you list them, showing engagement, potential profits, even sample videos others use to sell it on social media, plus sites already selling it. Another gem is Trending Products, breaking down sales, like this straw cover with over 6,000 sold, showing how folks interact with it and giving a performance score. Once you've researched, adding products is simple. Hit import, it goes to drafts, then edit titles, descriptions, or let AI handle it, adjust prices, all within AutoDS, syncing to Shopify automatically. You can ditch products you don't want to, and set up auto ordering so sales process and ship without you stepping in. You'll see every stage as it happens. This setup's a beginner's dream. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, then I can build it, but how do I get sales? Fair point. We don't want a shop that just sits there. The top way people make it work is social media. It's unavoidable, so get comfy with it. I know it might feel like a lot, but it's not anymore. With AI, I'm pushing you to use it for anything. ChatGPT can map out a whole plan to sell on platforms, even guide you through making videos step by step, keeping it simple. Speaking of videos, let's move to our next money-making idea with AI, tapping into generative AI. If that's new to you, it's tech that creates stuff from scratch: text, images, videos, music, you name it. There are tools out there making lifelike people. Check this out. Characters, movie-like scenes, anything you can picture. And as tech grows, so does what we want to see. There are tons of ways to cash in with this, but I'll highlight one for now. Using generative AI to sell custom video content to clients. We're all about personal touches today. And you might think, but Ben, I don't know how to edit. You don't need to. Just nail a solid prompt, and I'll show you. But you can use generative AI to create promotional videos. You can make explainer videos. You can even make social media ads for people. To prove how simple and strong it is, I'm using Sora, S-O-R-A, accessed via my ChatGPT Plus subscription. It's my go-to because it does everything. Let's say a bakery client wants a promo video. We'd tell Sora to create a video promoting a bakery. It needs to highlight the baking process of a cake and showcase close-ups of fresh pastries. We want to make sure it includes smiling staff interacting with happy customers, and add a text overlay like "fresh baked every day." Then set the length. My account caps at 10 seconds, but other platforms go longer. This came from one quick prompt I made up, and it's solid. Before you say, "If I can do it, why do they need me?" Most folks don't know these tools exist. Maybe you didn't either. Business owners often lack time to mess with it, so they'll pay you to handle it. Want a deep dive on this or any idea I've shared? Comment below. For this one, search local businesses, peek at their social media. If it's quiet, they're your target. They need help. Don't stress about perfection. Just start, you'll improve. I've given you the groundwork, but you've got to build it up. This isn't some overnight riches. It's a plan, and your effort and ideas will make it shine. The chances are there. Grab them. Oh, and please like this video. It helps me tons. Thanks for watching and catch you next time. Peace out.